Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at CoreX EA, an expert advisor developed by Andrei Sidoruk and available on the MQL5 Marketplace. One thing worth pointing out right away is that this EA is designed for MT5, and according to the product information, it works with both netting and hedging account types. Okay. Now, looking through the marketplace page, we can see the current purchase price is $1,399 US, with a 1-month rental option available for $650 US. The version shown here is version 1.3, updated on April 22nd, 2021. What immediately makes CoreX different from many traditional expert advisors is that it doesn't rely on standard bar-based analysis. Okay? Instead, it uses tick data as its primary unit of analysis. The developer explains that the EA creates its own internal database by downloading tick history online rather than relying on historical data already stored in the platform. The internal database is kept in memory and is rebuilt whenever the platform is restarted. As I continue through the description, we can see that the count tick parameter controls how much tick data is collected before the EA begins operating. The downloaded database is used for long-term analysis, while a more current selection of ticks is used for short-term decision-making and trade entries. Another interesting aspect is the internal optimization process. According to the developer, once enough tick data has been collected, the EA analyzes that information and performs its own parameter selection process. It evaluates different internal settings and selects the combination that would have produced the best historical result during that analysis period. Now, this process is repeated based on the re-optimization setting, okay, allowing the EA to periodically reassess its parameters using updated market data. Looking at the available inputs, traders have access to settings such as lot size, risk-based position sizing, spread limits, take profit and stop loss values, tick stack size, sensitivity controls, optimization intervals, and the amount of tick data used for analysis. The developer specifically notes that optimization of parameters such as count tick and re-optimization is recommended. All right, particularly when testing in MT5's real tick mode. Now, moving into the back testing section, this is where we evaluate the historical testing performance. Since CoreX is built around tick by tick analysis, the developer specifically recommends optimization and testing using real tick data. When reviewing any historical test results for an EA like this, it is important to remember that longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable picture of behavior across different market conditions. So let's start by looking at the provided images here. All right, so these are basically showing us the equity curve, balance and equity curve, right? Let's just head over to our strategy tester to see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we are testing the CoreX EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing it over the past 5 months from the beginning of this year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, and here we go. From an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative $15,159. The total trades taken were 5,923. Short trades were 2,962 with a 79.81% win rate. Long trades were 2,961 with a 79.3% win rate. And the largest profit was 603, while the largest loss was 646. The average profit was 20.88, while the average loss was 93.74. Okay, so based on this information we have here, the average risk to reward ratio is bad, but the win rate is good. So it seems like the bad risk to reward ratio overshadowed the win rate, and of course, all things considered, and coupled with the fact that the total number of trades were so much, and it resulted in a decline of about 15% from the initial deposit. Looking at the completed chart history, the key observation is that the EA's decision-making process is tied to its continuously updated tick database and internal optimization cycle. Rather than relying on static settings alone, the system attempts to adapt its internal parameters based on previously analyzed tick activity. The exact trade logic itself isn't fully disclosed, but the marketplace description clearly shows that entries are influenced by tick stack analysis, sensitivity settings, and periodic reoptimization. So as for the results, these should always be viewed as historical backtest results rather than expectations of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary significantly depending on optimization choices, risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and overall market environment. The developer also highlights that execution speed is particularly important for this EA, and requotes can be critical. Overall, CoreX EA presents a unique tick analysis approach compared to many conventional expert advisors. So if you are interested in this type of adaptive tick-based system, I would recommend running your own optimization and longer-term historical testing to better understand how it behaves under different market conditions before considering any live deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.